All I can say is I'm proud of her, bro.
Trying to play basketball.
Proud of you. It's a long grind, but we here. Proud of you.
Well, I'm happy to announce that Flawless Faces by Dominique Beauty Studio is officially open, and we out here, we finna pop it, okay? So 128 North 2nd Street, Clarksville, Tennessee.
Real big, real big. I know one day I would do it real big, real big, real big. I know what my real is feel is. Nighttime, love songs, and even seeing stars, but we still wish. Real big, real big. Who would ever thought that we would build this?
This has been already. Oh my gosh. But no, I made the decision 4 years ago to pursue being a makeup artist, and today I'm opening up my very first studio here in Clarksville, Tennessee, and I'm excited and I'm thankful to all of you guys for supporting me and for coming today. And I just ask that you guys continue to rock with me, and I will continue to grow and learn and just be the best makeup artist that I can be for you guys. All right. 1, 2, 3.